Who is currently watching House of Dragons? Good morning, guys. This is an intro to another vlog. I just posted the other one. So today we're going to do roasted potatoes. My food always is just vegan, so you guys I'm sure you'll get a lot of recipes from me. Oh, and the meat from the ugali I posted before was saucy. It wasn't real meat. I'm trying to eat healthy. And healthy for me is vegan lifestyle. So I'm back on my vegan lifestyle. I've not had meat for like 2 weeks so far. So I'm happy. I'm going to show you how I make like the roasted potatoes. Later, I'm going to do some Instagram content. That's also another one. I have to do a lot of transitions right now. So I have a lot of things to do today. Anyway, see you when I get to cooking.
The next day.
This is a new setting. I just figured we needed more light, and it's good to have more light, guys. I'm doing Instagram content and I just wanted you guys to just see me do my makeup while I talk about a few things. Who is currently watching House of Dragons? Who is currently watching House of Dragons? Because that's where it's at. Oh my god, like I thought Game of Thrones was nice. This first episode, it fucking sold me. Signed, sealed and delivered. So quick question. Why are all the bad guys called demon? I mean, Vampire Diaries was one. And it gave the villain a very good, oh my god, ending. And again, Damon was just interesting. I can't wait to see this Damon's journey. This new one for Game of Thrones. I can't wait to see his journey because he's giving a very hot villain. Am I right, guys? If you've watched it, comment down below. Do you like Damon? Because I do. I feel like people like good guys, but I like me some bad boy. A bad boy who knows who he is, and just doesn't take bullshit. I don't know why I put foundation here now. I can't use this other hand. It's so interesting, guys. Go and watch it. Go and watch it, and then you'll tell me how it is. Because, baby, if you have not watched it, which rock are you living under? But now I'm just gonna pace myself. Hakuna haja. There's no need of me watching it every episode after it comes out. But I'm going to be tempted, really fucking tempted. But I'm a patient girl. That's been an affirmation for me for the longest. So I'm patient. At this point in life, if I'm not patient, I don't know how long I need to affirm this. But seriously, let's hope next week when it comes out, I'm not in a hurry to watch it. I better be fucking busy so that I don't watch it and give it until I get to all the maybe 10, I don't know if it's 10 episodes or what. If it comes out as 10 episodes, well and good. Yeah, so I'm gonna be all on that show. Also, guys, let me talk about another thing that I've always been wanting to talk to you guys about, but given the time, let's go back a bit. Yeah, I've been single for like 2 years, and then I met this guy, and me being single like really made me get to know myself, build some good habits and stuff like that. And then I went into a relationship. Yeah, because I was, of course you find someone and you're very interested in, and you feel like, okay, let's date. And then I started dating. So in this time when I'm dating, I felt like deep down like I am losing parts of myself. I don't know if anybody can relate. If you can relate, I don't know, just let me know, guys, so that I don't feel like I'm alone in this situation. I felt like I was losing parts of myself. The fundamental things that I was living for in this life were not as important, and I put him a priority, like above me. I just felt so drained. I remember like those times I used to go meet up with him, and I was coming back home and I was just feeling drained, and all I needed was sleep, because you give so much of yourself, right? Am I the only one who feels like that? It feels more like needing someone than just being with someone because you want to. Deep inside my soul, like I really knew that this was not how I really wanted to live my life or be, but I did not communicate that either. So yeah, I just feel like sometimes some relationships you need to really pick your partner and like really like choose and want to be with him, and you should now make him not want to change you. If you've not really worked on yourself for some time, or you don't even want to work on yourself, you might project your insecurities to the other person. Rule number 1 of dating is don't let any other person change you. When you enter that relationship, you enter as your whole self, not halfway, or just because this guy wants you to be this way, you become that way. It's going to be so hard for you to like juggle the relationship whilst you're faking your personality. That's such a miserable life to live, guys. Relationship based on love, it should not be like that. You should not feel like you're doing too much. Yeah, because if you feel like already you're doing too much, there's no need of you to be in that relationship. You need to love yourself more than the way you love that partner, that's just what I think. That's just what I think. Now that I'm single, I just feel like I am at a very good position to stay like that, because relationships can really drain you, guys, and especially now that you're building yourself in your 20s. You don't have time for bullshit. You don't have time for nonsense. Guys, I'm done. This is the look. Yeah, this is the look. I look amazing. I'm sorry guys, you didn't go through all the makeup stuff with me because I was busy shooting for another thing on Instagram. So, and I don't have two phones, so I couldn't multitask like that, But this is the fit, this is the look. I look nice. I'm just wearing a nice sports bra and some black leggings, and yeah, that's the fit, guys. That evening I had rice, avocados, and some leftover beans and leftover kale. Yeah, the food was amazing.
The next day.
Guys, I woke up feeling so tired. I just don't like this weather. It was way too cold. I don't know what's wrong with this weather. Anyway, I'm just lounging in the couch, drinking some tea. I've been drinking a lot of tea lately, and I'm just watching vlogs and some shows. Yeah, this weather just makes me feel lazy and just wants me to lounge and do nothing, because just it expresses my mood and how I'm just feeling. Yeah, I feel like the sun brings out the more vibrant part of me, and cold just makes me feel so lazy. Yeah, I'm just here turning, trying to make myself comfortable, and yeah, I ended up sleeping because that's what I always do. Yeah. That evening I decided to make pancakes. I don't always have like a specific menu for what to eat in the evening and what not to eat. So I was craving pancakes and I decided to make some. All the ingredients are there, guys. You can just see the steps that I've followed on this video, and you can make yourself some if you didn't know how to make a pancake. Yeah, they turned out so great. Do you see that, guys? It turned out amazing and I love it. Anyway, guys, that's it for the vlog. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. I love you all so much, and take care. Have a great week ahead.